Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all will be fine. Today's video is in the scenario of prevailing situation of uncertainty escalating the mental illnesses and depression. According to an estimate, the depression is the critical but curable mental condition. Although found in every age group, depression is more common in the age group between late teenage and mid-20s. Moreover, it is also more prevailing in women than men. Depression is simply a mood disorder causing a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest, also known as major depressive disorder or clinical depression. एक अजब सी जंग है मुझ में, कोई मुझसे ही तंग है मुझ में. This is actually a complicated mental condition which is not easy to explain. Someone defined the depression in philosophical way that there are wounds that never show on the body but are deeper and more hurtful than anything that bleeds. The symptoms of depression can be mild to severe. Some of the most prominent symptoms are feeling sad or having a depressed mood, loss of interest in activities once enjoyed, changes in appetite, weight loss or gain unrelated to diet, sleep disorders, loss of energy and increased fatigue, feeling worthless or guilty, difficulty in thinking, concentrating or making decisions. If these symptoms last for more than 2 weeks, do consult your doctor. One very important thing to be kept in mind is that do not mix depression with the feeling of grief or sadness. Although both of these conditions have many similar symptoms, but these are not the same. Depression is a constant feeling without positivity and develops without any specific reason. On the other hand, grief or sadness is a temporary condition develops as a consequence of specific circumstances. In this condition, painful feelings come in waves mixed with positive memories. In depression, feeling of being worthless is common, while in grief or sadness, self-esteem is usually maintained. Depression is not a class or status conscious condition and can affect anyone, even a person who appears to be living in ideal circumstances. Some of the factors which play a role in depression may be biochemical, that is, differences in certain chemicals in the brain. Depression can also run in families. According to a study, if one identical twin has depression, the other has a 70% chances of having the illness sometime in life. There are many personality traits that aggravate the situation. For example, people having low self-esteem or pessimistic approach are more likely to experience depression. Among environmental factors, continuous exposure to violence, neglect, abuse, or poverty may make people more vulnerable to depression. In our society, there is little or no awareness to mental disorders. Mental pain is also less dramatic than physical pain but is more common and more harder to bear. It is easier to say my tooth is aching than to say my heart is broken. The first and foremost thing in the management of depression is acceptance. Acceptance of mental disorders in communities is more difficult than physical disorders. Accept your condition first and then consult your doctor. Besides medication, clear one thing in mind, that what we can do for ourselves, no one other can. So, work for yourself and work upon yourself. The first thing is to get back in a routine. Set your timetable and adhere to it. Exercise boosts feel-good chemicals called endorphins. It has long-term benefits for people fighting depression. Just start from walking a few times in a week. There is no magic diet to cure depression. However, balanced diet can improve the condition. Follow the strict timetable for sleep, go to bed and get up at the same time every day. Depression is a condition that makes you feel like you can't accomplish anything. Set daily goals for yourself and try to achieve them. Push yourself to do something different. Make time for things you enjoy. At the end, I just want to say that know your worth. No one and nothing is useless in this world. Try to find the purpose of your life, set your goals and work hard to achieve them. Surround yourself with positive people and fill your mind with positive thoughts. Do not burdenize yourself more than your capacity. One more important thing is that if you are not facing this tough condition, then try to reduce the pain of other depressed minds. Listen to them and be there for them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.